Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. So on this video I'm gonna show you how to create photos cube animation video in CapCut. So first you need to add the first photo to CapCut and then just click on it, go to animation combo and then find the cube animation. Okay, click on it, just click on a check icon and now go to canvas and then change the background into a green color. Okay, this green color's right here. Then click on a check icon and export the video. And now go back and then find the replace button. So click on the photo, click on replace and choose your second photo. Okay, this one. Okay, and save the video again. Now go back again and change the or replace the photo with the third photo. Okay, like this, and then after that export the video again. And now go back again and drag the clip down until you can't see it again on your screen. Okay, like this. And now click on the overlay and add the first cube videos that you save. Okay, this one. So add it as overlay, make it smaller, then put it on top. Okay, like this. Now add the second cube as overlay. So go to cutout first, chroma key, and then drag the color picker into the green screen for the second photo and then adjust the intensity until you can't see the green anymore. Now make the second cube the same size as the first one. Okay, like this. Then put it under. Now click on the add overlay again and add the third cube video and do the exact same step. So go to cutout and remove the green screen. And make it the same size and put it in the bottom. Okay, so now save the video, and after that you need to start a new project with the background that you want. Okay, so here I'm using a white background, and then you need to go to overlay and add the last cube videos as the overlay. Okay, so now go to cutout, chroma key, and remove the green screen. Okay, click on a check icon. Okay, you need to zoom it in. So only it's shown like this. Then you can just add a keyframes. You need to add keyframe as you like. So I'm going to put the keyframes in here, then another keyframe in here, and I'm going to drag the cube video up. then the last one in here. So the video will go like this. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on thanks. Bye.